In this video, we will go through steps of 3D and color calibration of the TRIOS scanner. By default, it is recommended to calibrate every 7 days. However, if you have a more extensive amount of scans, you should calibrate it more often. The scanner should always be calibrated after it has been moved, shaken, or sustained wide-range temperature changes. If calibration is not done for 7 days, the TRIOS application will automatically remind you about it. A message for a missing calibration type will appear on the screen upon opening a new order, as I will show right now. There are 2 ways of initiating calibration, from this message or in the settings page. Although it is possible to dismiss it, it is not recommended to ignore these warnings. Skipping 3D calibration might lead to degradation of quality of the scan. Outdated color calibration may have a negative impact on obtaining optimal color quality. Shades measurement will be disabled if color calibration is not performed for 30 days. I will close the messages and proceed with 3D calibration from the settings page. I will choose TRIOS Scan Settings and select the button 3D Calibrate Scanner. Before proceeding, make sure that the front glass on the scanner, as well as the inner side of calibration tip, are clean and free of dust or scratches. Mount the tip and proceed with calibration. It will take up to 1 minute. When it is finished, remember to remove the 3D calibration tip from the scanner in order to prevent it overheating. As soon as 3D calibration is completed, you can proceed with color calibration. In order to color calibrate, press the button Color Calibration on the Scan Settings page. Alternatively, if you need to perform color calibration when you have already begun working on a new order, this option is available on the scanning page under Tools, Calibration. First, carefully examine the mirror of the scanning tip. The mirror must be cleaned and sterilized, free of scratches, water stains, and dirt. Afterwards, attach the tip to the scanner facing downwards and put the color calibration adapter onto the scanner tip. Insert the color calibration target into the adapter with the color side facing up. And click Calibrate. It will take only up to 10 to 15 seconds. The next step is preparing for validation. Detach the color calibration target, turn it over to face upwards on the grey side. While performing this action, make sure that the grey surface is perfectly clean and free of scratches. Upon doing so, reattach it to the color calibration adapter and press Calibrate to start validation. It takes around 30 seconds. Once the calibration process is completed, remove the calibration target and adapter from the scanner tip and put the target into its sleeve. The grey side of the color calibration target can also be applied for 3D calibration. For this purpose, simply follow the steps described for the validation part of the color calibration. Now you know how to prepare and perform 3D and color calibration of the TRIOS scanner. You can also find this information in the relevant section of the user manual. Thanks for your attention.